Oh man, I already see it. It's awesome. Oh, not gonna look at it yet. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. It is Monday, so happy Monday to everybody. Hopefully you all had a great weekend. I actually finished my class Friday, so I am super stoked to kind of take a little break from school. Saturday I did check the mailbox and we did receive yet again another package. This is from Vinny over at Head Over Hot Wheels. I don't know what is in this package. He kind of wanted to keep it a surprise for me, so I'm actually super stoked to see what's in this box. After we open this up, we're going to showcase what I picked up this past couple days. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we got. It's nothing like checking the mail on the weekend and seeing that you have a package. But here we go. You ready, guys? Let's go ahead and open this up and see. Oh man, I already see it. It's awesome. Oh, not gonna look at it yet. It says, "To my dude from Head Over Hot Wheels." It says, "Dear my dude, sorry so late, but it's here now. Thanks for everything you do for us Hot Wheelers. Love your channel. Keep it up, bud. I'm starting my own new channel soon. Love to see you there. Here's a T-Hunt I hope you don't have." Holy crap. No freaking way. Dude, no way. Guys, check this out. 69 Ford Mustang treasure hunt. Look at this. Oh my god. I didn't even know this was a thing. Look at that. Old treasure hunt logo, I guess. That is freaking sweet. What is this? 2010. Look at this green. It's like a pearlescent green with the ghosted flames. You do have the chrome OH5s. This thing is freaking nice. And Vinny, I do not have a treasure hunt like this. I only have two super treasure hunts. This is the one that Derek gave me, the super of the 2007 and then the super 2005. So I didn't even know they had just a mainline treasure hunt Mustang like this. Look at that green. Oh, dude, you are freaking awesome. That is sick. Oh, man, and I just made a video going over my bosses, or the 69s that I have, which are right here, the yellow, the black, this green. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, this bad boy is going up. Let's go ahead and move the poor Firebird. I love the Firebird, but no, this bad boy gotta go right there. Green with the green. You got the Super 07, the 69 treasure hunt. Look at that. You can see the logo right there on that front fender. This was when I first started collecting, was in 2010. So if I would have seen that without actually noticing that TH, I would have never known that was a treasure hunt. Now I gotta find out where to put this, but that's not even the point. Vinny, thank you so much for sending me that. You guys are all just completely amazing, especially when you do stuff like that. I was not expecting that. No wonder why he wanted to keep it a surprise. Oh man, that is awesome. Well, I was gonna go over what I picked up this past weekend, but it is not as cool as that freaking thing over there. So, whew, man. All right, let's go ahead and recap what I picked up this past couple days. Man, that is freaking awesome. We got the 76 Honda CVCC in white from Matchbox. Check out that headlight tampo. Very cool little hatchback. You got the rear tampos nicely detailed. I picked this up because I wanted to do a nice little custom, kind of make it like a little hot hatchback. So we'll see where that goes. Picked up the new recolor of the Porsche Cabriolet in a black metallic. Check that out. Very, very nice. I do have the white variation that was right before this one, I believe, right here with the tan interior. I don't know how many color variations there are for the Carrera, but I have two of them and they have really good detail. Check that out. Headlight tampo, tail light tampo, looks very, very nice. Picked up the 79 Chevy Nova in blue metallic. You do have the white stripes. And of course, those nice black wheels with the center cap little spinners on there. I do like this one a lot. I wish it was close to the blue that's on the card, but it still looks really, really good. Definitely lacking some headlight taillight tampos, but that can easily be fixed. I picked up the new blue metallic variation of the Mustang Coupe. This is the 2019 Coupe. Love the detail, of course, that Matchbox puts on these. These ones look amazing. This will fit in with the other 2019 Coupes from Matchbox. This one's my favorite one still so far. You do have that Fahrenheit orange, or almost a competition orange. But this blue metallic is very, very nice. Also in my live stream, you guys remember I picked up the new G-Case release. It's a recolor of the Road Bandit, which is the jeepney in the Philippines. I do have the other 3 color variations. You do have the red enamel with the chrome PR5s in 2 different colors. You do have the all yellow with the aero discs, and then the red and gray with the colored 5 spokes. So this makes color variation number 4. I collect these because my wife's Filipino, so got to keep it in the collection as well. Good little tribute to the Philippines, definitely like that one. And then this recolor of the Tune twin mill in a red metallic. This is actually a really nice color. You do have the white stripe running down the center. I do have the first blue release of that one, and then of course my little custom Zamac right here that I made. So thought I'd pick that up. I don't know if I showcased this one yet, but this is the Volkswagen drag bus out of the Hot Wheels color shifter. It's supposed to be green and it goes into white, but it's yellow for some reason. Could have been the heat, could be the way the weather is right now, but I think it looks really cool in yellow. Picked that up a couple, maybe like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks. And then this one, guys, check this out. This is release 1 of version A of the twin turbo stealth out of Auto World. You have the white on white with the red interior. This thing looks amazing. I have the red variation. It is just red with the gray interior, which was release 5, but this is release number 1, and I definitely like this one. Check this out. These aren't low number cars. This is 12,040 and that one's 10,240 as far as release numbers are. So wanted to pick up the white variation. Of course, this is a super clean car. Definitely one of the favorites growing up. But yeah, guys, check this out. Cool little haul. Nice new Matchbox releases for 2021. Of course, some G-Case. Hopefully I'll find some more G-Case, but still, let's go back and just look at this treasure hunt one more time, because I'm just so excited to have this in my collection. Look at this. Love the beefy, over-exaggerated body of the 69. That just looks so nice. This is probably the only casting that can get away with the oversized wheels and the over-exaggerated body. It just looks so tough and aggressive. So that is just another amazing Mustang to go into my collection, and I can't thank you enough. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and go give Head Over Hot Wheels some love and support. As always, thanks so much for watching this video, and of course, until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.